2005 Mazda 3. Today I'm going to replace this fender. Got one off of eBay for 53 bucks. The rim already replaced. Paid $13, put the old tire on the new rim. The rim was 53, no, rim was 130 on eBay as well. Now for this, we're going to look at the new one, see where our connections are. Looks like this one right there. Some under the hood, those are the easy ones to get to. Problem is going to be right here, or the bumper. Looks like I'm going to have to remove the bumper to take this off. So, I already got the tire off. Let's take this light. Take this light off. Push it back this way, and then you pull it out, and it comes out. You see the setup. These are like a little hook, and then for the wires, just push down on this tab and pull it out, and it'll come out. Now let's see our connections. Just like this, one here, 1, 2, 3. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this light off. I'm gonna try to do it without having removed all the bumpers completely. I'm gonna go underneath, pull the panel under it, remove the panel, remove all of these, this whole panel in here, remove this. All of that, as you can see, is just pull out tabs, screws, easy enough. So hopefully I don't have to get too much trouble doing this part here. I know once I take the light off and this panel off. So let me get to it, and I'll come back after everything is removed. Okay, I took off all the screws on the inner panel. They were all mostly this kind. Screw twist off, and then you finish popping it off with one of these. It comes in handy, panel remover. And it looks like only two were really use a tool. That's this 10mm hex head. Goes right there. I didn't take that one out yet, probably don't need to. And then it was this screw kind, this regular screw that went right here on the panel. Let's see what it looks like right there. So, and as you can see, it looks like squirrels making a mess in there. Alright, so I'm gonna finish taking that off and see what we got. Alright, now under the bumper, you have two like this one here and one there. You gotta remove as well to take this off. Okay, got the panel out. There it is. Now let's see under here what's going on. Looks like there's that one right there to remove, and then you got a 10mm hex head right there that needs to get removed. And here's two here. Remove those and see what's going on. Okay, I removed that one screw here, and this just clips off. Then you have access to that screw there, and there's the other 10mm. So it looks like probably don't have to take the whole bumper off. Again, I'll come back to you, see. Okay, so that sat in there like that. I removed that black screw that was there, but there was also another 10mm right there. You just gotta pull that forward a little bit. That clips in with a little clip right there. See, pull this off, and like that's all that holds that in, part of the fender. So I should be able to take the rest out with no problem. Another 10mm right there. Okay, got it off. Wasn't bad at all. Now we're gonna transfer any pieces from the old fender to the new one, like this. Little plastic pieces that's on here. Got to transfer it to the new one. This thing here. Okay, so I removed all the plastic from the old fender. Just want to show y'all something. This one right here in the front was a plastic piece that was giving me trouble. I just used some tin snips. Those right there. Just cut it. Pulled it to the side and came right off, but it had a strange clip on there. So now I'm putting it back. First I put this part in. Stick over a little bit. Stick my hand in here. Bring this cable through. Now I'm gonna set this in place. Move the bumper out the way. It's behind here. And then just put my screws back, put everything back in reverse, and see how it lines up. Okay, so first I slid the tool down here, make sure my gap was pretty much even all the way up. First I did these two, then put this one in place while I positioned it with my left hand. Make sure this is semi flush. Tighten that up. Then I went over here, put this screw in, put these in. Now I'm gonna lower my hood and see how well the gap is right here. If I need to push it out some more or what have you. This part right here has a little hole and it just clips onto that. Like that there. Now I'm gonna close the hood and see what the gap looks like. Pretty decent. Lines up. This one right here is a little bit close, but okay, that side. So that means I need to push just this screw over some more that way. The rest seems good. Okay, so I got the fender set in place. Now this plastic piece that the bumper connects to, that one right there, you can see that. It goes in, it holds in place with two black screws, but this piece is old and brittle, and when you put the screw on, this is what happened. Chipped off, so the screws that normally went in there are no good. So what I did was I just zip tied it. You can see that. One there and one towards the back. And the hell's pretty good. Then I just clip my bumper back in place. Make sure my line seam's still good. Tighten all the screws and nuts inside of there. And I just put that panel back. I believe that's it. Everything's in reverse. If I come across another problem, I will record it for the record. That's about it though. Here is the finished product. It's not hard at all to do. Then take it to go get painted and done.